Hi everyone, welcome to Social Media Strategy. I'm Dr. Matthew Hale. If you haven't done so already, please watch my welcome video where I sort of introduce myself. Click the card in the upper right hand corner now and that'll take you to it. In this video, I'm going to do three things. First, I'll tell you what you need to complete this course. Second, I'll tell you what we're going to be doing this semester. And then finally, I'll say a few things about the course structure and the philosophy behind it. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment. That thing I just did is what is known as a call to action. You need to make this kind of explicit, clear rhetorical move in your own content in order to grow your audience and expand your reach. But we'll talk about that more later in the semester. All right, let's talk requirements. The course syllabus is live on our Blackboard site. Go give that a look. On the first page, there are two sections that I want to call your attention to. First, there is no required textbook or other paid textual materials for this class. Readings are going to be provided on Blackboard or via links. All of them are free. Below that is another section with a heading that reads Required Resources and Technology. So this course is production focused. You're going to be making digital content. In order to do that, you're going to need access to a few things. You need a smartphone. If you've got a DSLR, a mirrorless camera, a camcorder, great, you can use that, but it's certainly not required. But a smartphone, that's going to do, honestly. So I think most folks should have access to a smartphone. If you don't, just let me know. Ideally, you should also have some sort of external hard drive to store footage and probably an SD card or a card reader or adapters. Again, these things are not absolutely required. You can do without them, but it will make your life easier both for this class and if you want to make social media as a hobby to promote your business or to land a job as a content strategist, a creator, or an analyst. You'll need to start investing time and energy and also money into resources that are going to help make that happen. So maybe this class can be an opportunity for you to do that if you can afford to. Beyond that, we're going to be using a number of applications in the Adobe Creative Cloud this semester. We're going to spend a lot of time in Premiere Pro for editing video, Photoshop for image manipulation, making memes, that sort of stuff. And then we'll probably also experiment with Lightroom and After Effects, Spark, and a few other tools. So to this end, you'll really need access to the Adobe CC. You have two options here. Option number one, all of the computers in the Communication Studies Production Lab located in the Briggs Building. This is right next to my office and the room where we're going to be meeting face-to-face from January 24 onward. All of these devices have Adobe CC on them. You can come to the lab and use those applications. We're going to be doing stuff in class, so you might get your work done in there. Option number two is this. As a student, you get access to the Adobe Creative Cloud for $19.99 a month plus tax, I think. It's a great deal for incredibly powerful industry-leading tools. But there's still a third option. I'll post a few resources that are going to be free in a day or two that will allow you to do the work that you need to do for this class. This is going to include free applications like DaVinci Resolve, for example, that are great, useful production and editing tools. But remember, we're going to be mostly focusing our energies on Adobe CC applications in class. As long as you can create the content that you want to create, I don't really care what tools you use to do it. Just keep me in the loop throughout the semester and it'll all be fine. All right, that's what you'll need for the course. Let's talk about what you're going to be doing. By the end of the semester, you'll have accomplished a lot and you will have produced a bunch of content. Let's look at the course snapshot. It's on page 6 of the full syllabus. It's also available as a one-page PDF on the course website. You'll find both of these documents as well as a 2-page course calendar under the syllabus tab on the Blackboard site. Okay, here's a quick overview of everything that we're going to be doing this semester from the start to the end. First, I've created a brief survey using Google Forms. I've posted the link on our course site. Click the link, complete the survey. This isn't graded, mind you. I'm just using it to get a sense of where everyone's experience level is and what you want to learn and what you want to do this semester. The survey is due by the end of the first week of class. After that, we have what I'm calling Show Me What You've Got. Basically, I want to see stuff that you've made and shared. Show me stuff that you think is funny or that you're proud of. Again, this isn't graded. It's just an opportunity for me to see where everyone is, where they want to go, and what they want to learn and make. This brings us to the weekly progress reports. These are super short writing assignments in one paragraph, no more, no less. Tell me what it is that you've done, what you're working on, and what you hope to accomplish every single week. My partner is a senior software developer, and I'm completely ripping this off from their meetings and agile methodology. This is a simple assignment that helps me to keep up with everyone's progress, ideas, problems that you're going to be working through, all that stuff. And this brings us to the Google Analytics and Hootsuite course assignments. By the end of week 11-ish, you'll have completed 2 free Google Analytics courses and the free Hootsuite platform course. These are professionally recognized micro-credentials. I'm grading these purely as pass-fail. Complete the online courses and you get full credit. Don't do them and you get no credit. There's more here to say, but we'll save that for later in the semester. Next up is the fun stuff, the weekly content challenges. Each week, I'm going to propose a challenge. Write a script, create a simple image macro meme, record and edit a product review, a vlog, a how-to video, make motion graphics or reaction videos, or Photoshop something stupid onto the heads of a popular movie poster. Stuff like that. Each challenge is going to be worth 10 points. We'll probably end up doing more than 10 challenges, so chances are that I'm going to drop the lowest scores. We'll figure all of this out together. We're also going to be holding a weekly unofficial and not graded meme off. More details on that later, but there will be stupid prizes and it will be fun. After that, we have 3 very practical and very important assignments that are designed to help you prepare for and succeed on the job market. You'll draft up a cover letter for yourself that can be adapted for a variety of positions. You'll build a LinkedIn profile. We're actually going to take professional headshots of each other's for those. That'll be helpful. And then finally, you're going to put together a digital portfolio. Basically, you're going to create a website. You can use Squarespace, Wix, WordPress, one of those easy-to-use platforms to build and launch your portfolio. The portfolio is going to be due in finals week, and you'll be creating content for it throughout the entire semester. All right, last thing, I just want to say a few words about how the course is organized. The goal of the course, and for myself, is to understand what each of you as individuals want to learn, what you want to make, and then I'm going to try to help each of you do that. I think people learn best by doing and making, and so throughout the semester, you should constantly be coming up with ideas and projects that are just slightly out of your technical reach. And then it's up to you and me and your peers to engineer solutions, to design our way out of problems, and to be creative. So that's what you're going to need to succeed in this course. That's what we're going to be doing together throughout the semester. And now you have some insight into how I designed the course and why I made some of the decisions that I made for our work together. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Take care. And if you're not in my class and you're following along on YouTube, just let me know in the comment section if you would like the course syllabus or any documentation. I can post it onto my website, which is digital-pedagogy.com. I'll plop the link in the description box below. So thanks again for watching. Bye.